Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Yahoo Fantasy how to see waiver order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and then open up your web browser, and then on the search bar type in sports.yahoo.com. Now once the homepage loads, simply log into your account. Now once logged in, what you need to do is tap on this 3 horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and then once you are here, you will be seeing option that says Fantasy. Simply tap on that, and then once you are here, select the Fantasy League that you want. Let me just select this one right here. Now once you are here, what you need to do is then locate the waiver column to see the current waiver priority for each team. Now if you are using it from your app, simply head over and launch the Yahoo Fantasy app and then log in if necessary, and then tap on your league to enter its main page. Now once that's done, navigate to the league section, look for waiver column to check waiver priority of each team. These are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.